Hello, my name is Megha Das and I am here going to present a very interesting topic regarding the human physiology, that is the digestive system. So have you ever wondered that what happens for the food which we intake, whether it will be carbohydrate, protein or fat, what happens to that? Answer to your question is the digestive system. What does the digestive system do? It mainly breaks down the food which we take in into a very simpler molecules or small molecules which are absorbed in our digestive tract. So let's begin with this very interesting and very useful topic. Let's begin. So as you can see here in this picture is the mouth, starting from the mouth and ending in the anal opening, and this whole diagram represents the digestive system which consists of different parts. So moving to the next part, that is the major part of the digestive system, is mainly divided into two parts, that is the alimentary canal and the associated glands. So in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is the alimentary canal, and rest we will discuss the rest part in the next upcoming video. So what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is basically a tube-like structure which mainly connects from mouth to the anus region, and it's mainly divided into five major parts, that is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and the large intestine. So this begins with the mouth region, which we can see in this diagram is the mouth part, which is mainly consists of the two parts, that is the teeth and the tongue region. So the teeth is responsible for cutting, chewing and crushing of the food, and the tongue region, which is very important part, is responsible for swallowing of food and ingestion of the food. Apart from that, this tongue is responsible for mixing of the food as well as tasting of the food. Next, coming to the part that is the esophagus part, which is responsible for connecting the mouth to the stomach region. Whatever food which we intake, mainly the food we intake comes from the mouth and from the through the esophagus, which is also known as the food pipe, reaches the stomach region. Next part of the digestive system is the hero, that is the stomach region, which consists of three parts, that is the fundic part, cardiac part and the pyrolic part. So the cardiac part is the uppermost part which connects the esophagus, fundus or the body part is the middle part, and the pyrolic part is the part or the end part of the small intestine. What is the function of it? Mainly mixing or churning of the food, and the gastric juice which is present inside the stomach is mainly mixes it, and the HCl, that is the acidic food which is present, gets mixed with it. Next come to the largest part or the longest part of our alimentary canal, that is the small intestine, which is basically consists of three parts, that is the duodenum, jejunum and the ileum region. Okay. So what is the main function of the small intestine? The main function is the absorption. Maximum absorption of our food takes place in the small intestine region, and it mainly the pancreatic juice or the intestinal juice which is secreted in the small intestine get mixed, and majority of it gets digested. Next, coming to the last part is the large intestine part. As you can see here, it is the widest part as compared to that of the small intestine, but it is shorter in length. Okay. So it consists of cecum. You can see here in this diagram is a cecum which consists of vermiform appendix. It is the ascending column, then is the transverse column, and also we can say the pelvic column, descending colon and the rectum part or the anal canal through which the undigested food comes. What is the role of large intestine in the digestion? Mainly it removes the undigested food, and here the food remains for a very short time. So this is all about the 5 major parts of the alimentary canal, that is mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and the large intestine. And that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.